Good day, this is the Professor, drwillphd, PhD, and today is Wednesday, August 10, 2022. It is 6:54 and 27 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, Magnetospere. So let's jump to it here. Laser creates a miniature magnetosphere. Date June 30th, 2022. Source, Osaka University. A research team realized magnetic reconnection, driven by electron dynamics, and laser-produced plasmas, and measured the pure electron outflows. Their findings will be applied not only to space and astrophysical plasmas, but also to magnetic propulsion and fusion plasmas. It is also known that electronic dynamics plays essential roles in triggering mechanism of magnetic reconnection. However, it has been highly challenging to observe the tiny electron scale phenomena in the vast universe. Thus, the researchers have created situation-only electrons directly coupled with magnetic field and laser-produced plasmas. In space plasmas, the key players sometimes hide in the small scale. It is very difficult to see their actions in large-scale space phenomena, even via cutting-edge numerical simulations. Now laser experiments can arrange a new stage to shed light on their actions. The results will bridge various observations and simulations in macroscopic and microscopic points of view. By using collective Thomson scattering measurements, the pure electron outflow associated with the electron scale magnetic reconnection has been measured and laser-produced plasmas for the first time. The outcomes of this research are applicable not only to space and astrophysical plasmas, but also to magnetic propulsion of spacecrafts and also fusion plasmas. Microscopic electron dynamics governs macroscopic phenomena such as magnetic reconnections and collisionless shocks. And this is a unique and universal property of plasma, which is not seen in ordinary gas and liquid. The researchers can now address this in the laboratories by direct local measurements of the plasma and magnetic field. Researchers will tackle long-standing open problems in the universe by modeling them in laboratories. Knowing the nature of plasmas may lead us to realize, for example, fusion plasma. And this is the Professor of Astrophysics, Space Science, and Applied Mathematics. And this video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.